Chicken thighs that are baked with a rub of chili powder, paprika, cumin and oregano mixed with some lime and orange juice is a recipe for a flavor-packed dish. To complete this meal, I'm actually going to bake some sweet potato wedges at the same time and then stir in some black beans before serving. Now, depending on the size of chicken thighs that you have, they could take between 30 to 40 minutes to cook through. And sweet potatoes usually take about 20 minutes when they're cut to a size like this. So here's my cooking plan. First of all, I'm going to begin cooking the chicken using the combination of convection and microwaves for just 10 minutes, just to give the chicken a head start. Then I'm going to add in the potatoes and finish the cooking in the convection mode only. Now, of course, I could just cook the entire meal in the convection mode, but I want to illustrate how versatile the speed oven can be for your day-to-day cooking and inspire you to use it. Once I have seasoned the chicken pieces, I will add the orange and lime juice and then give them a light drizzle of olive oil, and into the oven they go for the first 10 minutes. Now, after those 10 minutes of cooking in the combination mode, I'm going to add in the sweet potatoes and set the timer for 20 minutes, and dinner will be ready. However, before I do serve the sweet potatoes, I'm going to combine them with some black beans, some thinly sliced jalapeno and a little chopped cilantro, and a dash more lime juice. It's a really flavorful dish, and look how quickly it came together in convection with a little microwave power for speed. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.